planned to go to New York Times Square, but because of pandemic, I canceled my plan.
Oh, that's so sad. Well, maybe we can choose to go to New York for this trip then.
This winter, we put together an online workshop for English learners in China, currently in high school or college. The theme was to plan a vacation, from choosing where to visit to packing a luggage.
Oh, it's so difficult for me to choose.
Oh,
Yeah.
really? Why? How come?
Yes. Maybe I will choose the second one. Maybe the Wi-Fi is so important for me, but
You can still buy it. You just
no,
have to pay for it.
I don't know about it.
All the Chinese hotels, the breakfast look like that. So
Yeah, for my personal experience though, I think Chinese hotels are better than
much better,
hotels.
much better.
Yeah.
Also, they don't ask for tips. That's
Oh.
also a big difference. Like the whole tip culture thing is not really a thing in China. What would you worry about like the most before traveling?
Or before traveling, I worry the most about the security. I will check every, the phone number, like to call the police. Before I went to the place, I will store the number. I will tell my family where I am and or what I'm doing in the travel.
In the hotel room, you will use some like the camera of your phone to check that if there is any.
Yeah, because you were just I know it's unfair though. We're as a female, we should take care of ourselves. We should be more attentive to the whole environment, whether it's safe or not.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely protect ourselves. Like I know the hacks are like, like what Kara said, like use your camera to scan like if there are any cameras, but also like check the mirror, right? Have you guys heard about that? Like putting your finger, and see if there are like any space between.
What about you, Jean?
I may worry about my cell phone, like or off.
Oh.
If I'm in a new place and my cell phone is power off, it's easy for me to get lost.
Okay, well, I'll give you a tour right now while we're waiting. So that's my bed.
Oh gosh, this is your dorm?
Yeah, under here I have.
It's so big. It's so big.
I have a little cubby. You can't really see it. Hold on.
I know. I can. Dude, is Harry Potter living in there?
I have a little poster, blankets, my ukulele.
Wow.
I have a blanket on the ground.
For no reason.
And then we have like my clothes, and this is what I was talking about, is my ramen.
Oh, nice.